So I want to give you a little tip here on your Bissell carpet cleaner. This is the Spotclean Proheat. Here I've got the Bissell little green machine. No matter what model you have, to clean out the hose when you're all finished, what you'll typically do is remove whatever scrub brush you had on there, and you'll attach the hose rinse tool, the Hydrorinse tool. Then you pull the trigger, and this just recirculates water through the hose. See how the hose is ridged? It's got lots of places for stuff to build up, and it gets really dirty and nasty. So you want to clean it after every use. But if you don't have that rinse tool anymore, that's okay. So what you want to do is empty out your dirty water tank here. Make sure it's empty, because then you're just going to suck up clean water here. So we've got our dirty water tank. It has been emptied. It's ready to go. And we're just going to plug it in here, and then we're just going to rinse water through the machine here. So I'm going to turn it on, suck up this bowl of water, and I'm just lightly going to dip the tip of the hose and the cleaning attachment into the bowl of water. Now you can leave your cleaning tool on. You can take your cleaning tool off if you want to, but I like to leave it on because you're going to get hair, dirt, dust, and buildup in the actual tool, so it's nice to clear that out. But on these newer tools, you can take them apart. Now you can't do this on all models and all tools, but on this newer one you can. But anyways, it's a really simple process. You turn it on, you turn it on, and you suck up the water. Let's see, it's going through the hose here, coming into our dirty water container here. There you go, and it automatically kind of kicked off. So you do just want to be careful about how much water you put in the bowl. You don't want to overflow it. If you do, it's not that big a deal. You're just going to have a little mess to clean up. Then you can empty that out and then continue if necessary. But at this point, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and empty this out. Then I'm gonna turn the vacuum back on because there's still some standing water in the hose. So you just wanna leave it on for 30 seconds to a minute just to clear out any standing water in the hose. And that's it. That'll keep your machine nice and clean and working for years. If you wanna know more about these machines, feel free to find the links that I will put in the description of this video. I've got tons of content on these different cleaners. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.